came from Venus. I'm feeling way too hot, hot-headed, I got a fever. I came from heaven and made it through hell, now I got ether. Should've believed him. Damn, you should've believed him. She took a dab of that till she had cataracts. Grabbed the rack, she had a MAGA hat. I tapped the back to Adam's zap. I told her mag the rack. My dick couldn't even fit half the cap in a Cadillac. Take a dab of wax with a battle axe, not your average cat. Why don't they give me a break? I learn from mistakes, I'm earning my place, yeah. Man, I'm just raising the stakes. Try to just wait and losing my patience. I'm in the whip.
Hey, you guys, welcome back to Naughty Love Movement. It's your girl, Nikki, bringing you the latest and trending topics, celebrity gossip, and recap on all your favorite reality TV shows. Also, I vlog my lifestyle. Before we get into today's article, please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and that bell button so that you can be notified when I update content to my channel. So today, I just want to dive right in. Oh, sorry. Make sure y'all follow us. We on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and all that information will be in the description box below. So yes, I just came across an article that I had to share with my naughty crew. Shout out to the Shade Room for dropping this article. Yes, because you know Shade Room is my favorite. Here we go. So 60-person scuffle sparked by jealousy over threesome on Carnival cruise is caught on camera. Okay, I can't wait, Naughty Crew. Let's get into it. So a massive fight involving upwards of 60 people broke out on a cruise ship over cheating allegations this week, and it was all caught on camera. Fox News reports that the melee broke out Tuesday because passengers on board a Carnival cruise ship off the coast of New York City. The outlet spoke to witness who was also a passenger on the ship and confirmed overhearing that the fight was sparked over allegations of cheating while on the trip. Okay, so the cruise ship brawl lasted for an hour. Teresa James, a travel agent on the cruise, told reporters that the fight started just before 2 a.m. on the ship's fifth floor. Okay, that means everybody was a little inebriated, okay? Where a dance club and casino are located. James alleged to overhear a dispute about an alleged threesome between passengers that had upset their significant others when they learned of the Rendevious, excuse me. A Twitter username Naeem Zero shared his video from the turbulent cruise fight. He added, and he quotes, "I was at the bar listening to my own music, sipping a Shirley Temple. Then the brawl broke out of nowhere. They were squabbling for sure, injured and cut up from the glass." So during the hour-long scuffle, witnesses said beer bottles were smashed and a woman may have been cut amid the chaotic brawl, involving dozens of people. You can see the security attempts to break the fight up from the footage shared online, which started on the ship's fifth floor and ended on the first floor. So I am here for it. Let's get into it, Naughty Crew. Okay. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. There you have it, you guys. I hope it was worth it. I really do. I hope it was worth it to act a fool on the cruise ship. Can't take them nowhere. Shout down into my comments. Let me know what y'all think about this chaotic situation. I mean, there's ways of handling this. Like, why did we have to get into a fight. I mean, let's show this one more time, Naughty Crew, because let's see. All right, Naughty Crew, drop down into my comments. Let me know what y'all think about this brawl. So the cruise line officials reportedly notified the Coast Guard amid the brawl. Coast Guards launched a boat from Staten Island to escort it to dock in Manhattan, according to the WNBC TV. So, quote, thankfully, no serious injuries were reported and our onboard security team intervened, Carnival Magic said in a statement. The ship arrived as scheduled this morning, and authorities were notified and met the ship to interview suspects and witnesses and conduct an investigation. So the NYP is still reportedly investigating the situation. So there you have it. I hope it was worth it, you guys. I mean, me personally, I'm not a fan of the threesome arena at all. I don't like sharing. So that wouldn't work for me. And see, that's see, people think they strong enough to deal with that, but somebody always getting out that bed with some feelings and some emotion. And threesome spark a lot of jealousy, okay? And especially when you're not secure with yourself. And a lot of times when people do it, it's a real sloppy arrangement. To each his own, you know. Every couple is different, but I know me myself, I would not be down. Okay. Because I'm just real selfish like that when it comes to being in a relationship. So call me what you are, but I don't like to share. And it does not turn me on to see my partner bang out somebody else. So drop down into my comments, Naughty Crew. Let me know what y'all think about this article and how they were just like all out brawling over some threesome D or whatever, a P, who knows? Like, I want to know the details. Like, who did it involve? Was it like a men threesome or two women and one man? Like, I want to know the details. So I'm gonna be looking for updates on this story, and I'll bring it to my Naughty Crew. So until next time, we out. One.
Real niggas came from Mars, y'all came from Venus. I'm feeling way too hot-headed, I got a fever. I came from heaven and made it through hell, and now I got ether. Should've believed them. Damn, you should've believed them. She took a dive.